Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update, and very little change to the weather compared to yesterday. It looks like the rain chance is pretty much drying up for most of us, so the heat will continue. Partly cloudy skies through the morning, maybe mostly sunny this afternoon, so high temperature is likely in the low to mid 90s across the region with the high humidity. Probably we'll see heat index values, or feels like temperatures close to 100 just due to the high humidity. And the ridge of high pressure, it's expanded a little bit here. You can see the closest rainfalls in northern Mississippi this morning, so the rain's really dried up across Arkansas and northeast Louisiana, where we did have some rain and thunderstorms yesterday. So this ridge really beginning to press down on the region here, which is going to kind of put the brakes on any rain today, which is welcome relief after 2 months of heavy rain here in the Arklatex. But the trade-off again will be pretty warm temperatures today, starting out in the mid-70s this morning and likely winding up in the low to mid-90s this afternoon, which is a few degrees above average for this time of the year. Here's a look at the wind speeds. Pretty light wind, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will be a southwest breeze today, and satellite and radar showing pretty quiet conditions for us here in the Arklatex. Notice to the north there is a cold front out there. This will trigger some thunderstorms later on this afternoon north of us, and these storms may drift towards us tonight. So it really doesn't look like we'll see any rain in the daylight forecast today, and I've included maybe a 20% chance of seeing a stray shower again later tonight. Again, FUTURECAST showing a little rain popping up on the kind of eastern fringes of Arkansas and Louisiana here, but if that does occur, it will move off to the north pretty quickly, so I've just left our forecast dry. Notice tonight, FUTURECAST does kind of weaken those storms before they move into the Arklatex here, so again, just a slight chance we could see some rain in the northern Arklatex tonight. Likely a few clouds to start out your Saturday, and by late tomorrow, FUTURECAST does pop up a little bit of rain. For now, I've left our forecast dry. I don't necessarily think that those storms will be out there, but it is a possibility for us. But if you have any daytime plans outside on Saturday, I think most areas will be dry. Can't rule out maybe a pop-up shower. And then we have included some rain in your Sunday forecast. You can see maybe some isolated showers and thunderstorms passing through, especially during the afternoon and evening. But overall, the rain chances staying pretty low through the upcoming weekend. One thing we'll be watching next week, you can see down here on the equator, very active in the tropics. We have basically what are ocean gyres. It kind of circulates like a washing machine at your home, if you will. And every once in a while, these gyros will kind of spin off some tropical disturbances, which will make their way up towards the Gulf of Mexico. Forecast models in pretty good agreement that we will have to watch the Gulf for maybe some tropical development next week. So again, nothing that would affect us here in the next 7 days, but possibly late next week we would have to be paying attention to what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico. So just putting that on everyone's radar. It's not overly concerning to us at the moment here, but it is something we'll probably be talking about next week if there's not too many changes to the weather pattern. And again, a look at your 7-day forecast here. Those slight chances of rain Sunday, Monday. Doesn't look like we'll see any heavy rain there, and highs continuing to run in the low 90s as we move through next week.